Hello everyone. At the outset, I wish you all of you a very happy Sankranti and of course the new year. We have just started in the new year. Friends, as you might be aware, the job seekers in Andhra Pradesh are lucky in the sense that there has been some clarity on the notifications. Now one group 1 examination has already been done, the mains examination, and this year's group 1 notification is expected within few months. The results of this last mains examination will also be out sometime in February. So then I think the commission, as far as we all know, the information is in the public domain, that the commission is gearing up to bring out a calendar also and a new notification. So friends, this is the right time for you to get back to preparation, serious preparation for this year's group 1 examination. Friends, given the current economic scenario, the private jobs are highly risky, and for any serious aspirant, Group 1 is a very good opportunity. Group 1 examination is very good opportunity, and it's like any other examinations you have been passing out. Okay, for example, degree you might have, whether it is BTech or any other degree, 10th Inter. Now the same examination are also there. There is a defined syllabus. There is a way to approach, a way to read. Then definitely one can expect some good results. So friends, we are launching a Group 1 batch today for APPSC mains, prelims cum mains batch. In fact, we are starting with economy because this is the new new period in the economy. We have the budget and the economic survey around the corner. So and political science, governance, IR, all that aspects are all there. So we are starting with economy, political science, international governance. Then of course in that we have law and part of ethics also. Geography will also be commencing shortly along with Indian history. So friends, the purpose of this is to tell you that this examination is very important examination, and if you really plan for about 6 to 7 months of serious study, there is a possibility of one getting through. For those of you who don't know the pattern, see, there are two-stage examination as far as written is concerned, and after that of course there is an interview, personality test. In the preliminary, we have two papers. These are of screening purpose. Okay, one is each are 120 questions. You know, we have history, India as well as Andhra Pradesh. Then we have political science, constitution, and all that. Then we have economy, again India as well as Andhra Pradesh. Then of course geography, India as well as regional geography. In under paper, we have mental ability, general mental ability and psychological ability. We do have current affairs of national, international and regional importance along with science and technology. So this makes up for the preliminary examination, and once you qualify prelims, you will have to take up mains where you need to write one essay. Essay paper will be there. Then again the same, history, India as well as Andhra Pradesh. Then geography will be one paper. The political polity, governance, ethics, law will be another paper. Economy, Indian as well as regional economy. Of course, the mains will be of descriptive along with science and technology. These are the papers which you will have to write and prepare. So friends, the main success strategy should be based on three important aspects. You know, one, you will have to have complete clarity, conceptual clarity of the subjects that are to be dealt with. Then you should be able to get a very updated and very authentic information in the form of notes or material. Third, a lot of writing practice also has to be done, because it's long time that people are writing nowadays. We're all texting and WhatsApp and all that. So like a traditional writing pattern for the mains is also very important. So we are keeping all this in view and launching the batch today. It is a good day, a festival day, hoping to get a lot of success for all of you. And in fact, we have already launched a batch in December, which is going on very well. In the last mains examination, the classes from Dr. N. Sridhar's IAS Study Circle. I am Dr. N. Sridhar, by the way, for those of you who don't know me. And whether it is our classes or tests or the information, we also put a lot of regular free lectures. These have come to be come to be of very good use to the students. In fact, our predictions and guess in the examination also almost 80 to 85% we could see in the exam papers. So friends, the purpose of this is to batch has already starting today, because we have students who have already joined, but it is right time for all of you to consider group 1 as a very good career option, and of course prepare seriously like one prepares for civil services. So your entire life can be changed. You know, it's a very big examination. Your life or entire family will be actually changing that. So let me give you the details of the batch we are starting today. So the batch commences from today, that is Jan 14, 2021. Friends, the classes will be from Monday to Friday, and there will be an integrated test on every Saturday for both descriptive, that is mains examination, as well as objective. And it's a 7 months course, will be completed in July 2021. And of course, even after the course is completed, access will be given till your exam is over, and you will also be taught current affairs and current economy regularly, you know, till your exams are completed. Ours are live interactive classes. You can also ask doubts when the class is on. It's almost like a normal class, but by any chance if you are working or you are unable to watch in the class time, the class video will be saved in your folder. You can see it anytime on the day or any day till your exam is over. So ours are live. We are not uploading previous recorded classes. We teach every day, including material is also updated regularly. Specially typed prepared notes will be provided every week. Whatever classes that are there this week, you get material on Sunday. Then objective special guidance will be there for objective for scoring high in the preliminary examination. Friends, current affairs, it's integrated. See, as a teacher, we always expect you to read the newspaper. There is no substitute. However, as our job, every week we will provide current affairs analysis. By any chance, some of you are unable to read newspaper or whatever, this will help you out. And friends, fee is not 2,500 here, it is 25,000, and plus GST will also be there. Then we do have weekly integrated tests, as I already said. Then personalized explanation will be there. All of you will get a call every Saturday sometime, and then your paper will be evaluated and explained to you. We also don't club the batches, like, you know, different batches, different subjects, or you know, for example, whether it is civils or group 2 or group 1, we don't club. Then this will be a top-notch group 1 batch only. We have very highly qualified faculty. I myself, Dr. N. Sridhar, then we do have Ratnakar sir and Sandeep sir and other top-rated faculty. The payment mode, you can pay online. You know, it is Google Pay is there, Phone Pay is there, and also online account transfer is there. Friends, ours is a very reputed and registered government recognized institution. Okay, so the fee is it comes to 29,950 including the GST. So it is complete transparency is there. Then friends, those of you don't know me, this is my profile. I have been there for last 20 years, 22 years in this field, and our institute is running successfully for the last 10 years. And earlier also I was teaching, of course, for guiding the students for 22 years here and there. So, and of course I had a background, I had a doctorate. Then I was a gold medalist of 2 universities, including Central University, and I also taught in the University of Hyderabad and Central University of Karnataka. Okay, so friends, this is how you need to prepare. So the basic aspect is that if you show the same dedication, same seriousness that is shown for UPSC, Group 1 will be a very good opportunity. And if you select an RDO or any top post, there is a possibility of you being promoted as IAS in next 8 to 10 years. If you work well, good track record is there. So, and we are very much student friendly. We have a channel also, as you are seeing this channel. So please visit our website, drsridharias.com, and we are based out of Ashok Nagar in Hyderabad, the institute. Offline batches will also be starting for those who are in Hyderabad from 18th, but this is a new online batch for APPSC, very much result oriented. And if you would like to know any further details, please call us. Our number is given. And all the best, friends. Please study well. Make Group 1 as your career option and career choice. This will be the best of jobs you can get in the current economic scenario, because your entire family will be changed. Your generations will change if you become a Group 1 officer or civil services officer. Okay. So success mantra is nothing but good classes with you will get perfect understanding and analysis, then very correct and apt material, updated material, notes. Third, writing practice. And friends, our institute is known for focus on the writing practice. So we are doing it integrated now. There is no special fee for tests again. This is inclusive of the fee, and nobody is doing like this except we. Nobody is providing integrated tests every week. Generally, course is different, tests are different. Okay, but we are integrating it for better effectiveness, because you better write immediately next week of whatever classes you have heard, rather than again trying to read after forgetting everything. So listening, reading and writing should go at one level, one track, that will give you the best results. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please call me or visit drsridharias.com. Classes are commencing today, but next few days also you can join. And of course, as I said, today's classes, tomorrow's classes, you can always see the archived videos. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for listening to me, and good luck and happy Pongal also. Okay. Thank you all.